Hey friends, I hope this finds you well. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Fix my camera here. Welcome to, this is July's Potomac Bead Box. Sorry, I'm a little behind, but I will unbox this because it's really pretty and you guys should have just as much chance as everybody to see it. It's called Colorful Carnival. Step right up. This month's treasure box is bursting with joy of a colorful carnival. Inspired by the season of fun, we've packed it with playful pops of color, shimmering surprises like the new infinite cushion clasp. Oh, I'm so excited about that. And a medley of textures or spark creativity. Let your beads dance like confetti and make every project a celebration. Thank you, Potomac Beads. All right, we're starting out with, oh my goodness. These dagger beads. Wowzers. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but the AB on this. Let's see if I can get it to focus on my hand. There we go. Wow. Look at that guy. And they're all unique, just like that. So pretty. Sadly, there is only supposed to be one. Okay, there's only supposed to be one of these. Good to know. Oh, look at that. Oh, I don't think the video will do that justice. Color Shift Pandora. Look at that. So pretty. Gorgeous. Oh, these malachites, these rainbow malachites, look at those. How fun are those? This must be, this is a clasp, and this must be where I can put my crystal, I betcha. Laser cut wood firework stars. Oh, how fun are these? Look at that. How cute are those? Oh. This mix of check. Oh, look at all that. So gorgeous. So pretty. These are so fun. Oh, I love colors. Everything colorful. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got this fun, colorful shimmer to it. So pretty. Oh, that color. What is that called? Coral. Ooh, that coral color is gorgeous. Oh, look at this fun strand. Look at all these pretty primary colors. Ooh, these glass ovals in orange are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This purple, oh my goodness. Opaque purple Eidos Azuki seed beads. Look at that. So pretty. Some E6000. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, here's those new. Let's see. I see some wire guards and all the clasp stuff. These are so fun. Look at these. Oh, these bellflowers. Wowzer. How fun are these? Oh, this yellow. Look at that yellow. Some of them have AB finish on them. And then these ear wires. Wire guards. So fun. And then this has crystal cubes. Wow, look at all this yummy, yummy, yummy goodness. And I thought there was going to be some kind of different clasp in here, but I guess not. That's okay. Oh, that must be this one. That's right. This clasp is the new one that I read about. Okay. Infinite box clasp. Cool beans. Okay, stay tuned for an upcoming design on the fly. Oh, should be very fun and carnival-like. So exciting. All right. Thank you, friends. Have a good one.